Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I still remain your girl Sandy Love.
Go outside.
In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make salad. Very simple. Let's get started. This is very simple. So this salad is for me alone, just little. So I will be needing just small of this. The carrots, let me see. I'll be needing just. Okay guys, this is how I like to slice my salad. Let me show you. I don't know if you're seeing it. Okay, just very little. You will be surprised and you will be like, oh, what is she doing? Is she teaching us how to make salad? Very simple. Let me see. Let me check. Very simple. Did you just say very simple? That's for you. There are some people out there who don't know how to make salad. It's very easy, but some people don't know how to do it. So watch and see how I make my own simple salad. Everything is already washed. So before you start anything, you have to make sure you wash everything and you wash your hand. I forgot to add that from the beginning. So it's still the same. Let's get going. The ingredients that we have. This is the ingredient I'm using today. At times I do add corn to it. Corn, maize alone. Fried rice, jollof rice, anyone you like. For me, I will be eating my own with fried rice. So guys, here we are. Ooh, look at that. Come and join me. Let's eat. Ooh. This is so delicious. So guys, in my next video I will be sharing with you guys how I make my fried rice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.